Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to 10th generation Dairyman channel analytics. He has uploaded 187 videos. He now has 318k subscribers with a total view of 64,709,611 views. His channel type is People, and he created his channel since October 1, 2018. The grade he got is B, and his Social Blade ranking is at 58,898th. The subscriber ranking is 83,086th, and then video view rank is 88,085th. He ranked at 7,441st in People. Next, the daily subs for Dairyman is around 267 with a daily view of 114,833. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 110,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $440. Then, monthly income will be $13,200. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $7,260 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $87,120. That is how much 10th generation Dairyman earns from YouTube.